guys, what's up? Dr. Byte here. In this video we will show you how to create a bootable USB drive. Before starting the video, we would like you to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to be notified of new stuff. First of all, make sure you have already available a USB, Rufus software, and a disk image file of OS. Let's create a bootable drive. Open your PC and insert the flash drive or USB with minimum 4 GB of space, but 8 GB will be better option. Now come to the directory where your files are located and start the Rufus application. At first, select the flash drive device which you want to create as bootable drive. Now press the select button to select a disk image of OS. As you can see, the file is in the same directory. Go and select the file. Now leave the rest and come to the bottom, and as you are ready, start the process. Your data in the USB device will be formatted. Press OK to continue. As you can see, it has started the process. Leave it till it completes its process. Normally it takes from 5 to 10 minutes. So calm for a while and wait till it ends. As it completes the process, close the Rufus application and go to your PC's disks, and you can see that the USB is now inserted as a bootable drive. You can create a bootable drive for any operating system. Download the disk image file, repeat the same process and enjoy. That's it for now. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.